In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Oxylabs and AdsPower. We'll be doing this directly inside your new AdsPower profile, and the goal is to connect the correct Oxylabs proxy details based on the proxy product you purchased. It's important to enter each field carefully, because even a small formatting mistake, especially in the username prefix, can prevent the proxy from working properly. Start by opening AdsPower and clicking on New Profile. Once you're inside the profile setup, go to the Proxy Settings section and select Custom. This allows you to manually enter the proxy details provided for your Oxylabs service. Next, set your proxy type protocol to HTTP, HTTPS, or SOCKS 5, depending on the protocol supported by the Oxylabs proxy you plan to use. After that, fill in the host, port, username, and password fields according to your product line. If you're using residential or mobile proxies, enter pr.oxylabs.io as the proxy host and 7777 as the proxy port. For the username, type customer, your username. The important part here is that the customer prefix must be included before your actual username. Then enter your sub-user password in the password field. If you're using standard or shared data center proxies, set the proxy host to dc.oxylabs.io. Use port 8001 or 8000 if you want random rotation. In the username field, type user, your username. Here the user prefix is required, so make sure it's included exactly as needed. Then enter your sub-user password. If you're using dedicated ISP proxies, enter disp.oxylabs.io as the proxy host. Use port 8001 or the unique port assigned to your static IP array if one was provided. For the username, enter user your username and then add your sub-user password. Once all the fields are filled in correctly, click on OK to save the setup.